What's good? What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I had to remake the beginning of this video because as I was editing, the audio quality sucked because I was inside the car and I kind of had the GoPro kind of far. So, oh dang, y'all get to see the non-toxic hoodies gonna be going up on the website soon. I'll be giving away this ceramic coating from Avalon King ceramic coating. I'm gonna be giving this away because obviously I don't have no use for it. So I'd rather give it to somebody that has a use for it. But make sure y'all stay tuned on that. So in this video, it's a little different. As y'all see the title, what the title is, I'm picking up a toy sponsor, I guess you can say. So this particular decision is not about me. And some people will understand, but like I said, this particular decision was not about me. It's more so about my daughter. And what I have planned is to start, if you know, like if you have kids, you know that kid YouTubes are popping. So I plan on starting a YouTube for her. I already have a family channel, but we really don't put much on there. But the family channel is Mo and Val, which is just me and my fiance, and it was more so like for traveling stuff, but not traveling, but whenever we start traveling, or whenever we can start traveling and stuff like that, that type of stuff is gonna go on that channel, and then this channel is gonna stay with the car stuff, car meets, all that good stuff, still family stuff, but it's gonna have a little mixture of everything. And then I want to start a separate channel for my daughter, for like maybe her and her mom and stuff like that, for like car reviews and all that good stuff. Her and my nephew, they could do car reviews. So the company that I'm gonna be working with, that's gonna basically be sponsoring the channel, because the money that I'm gonna be making from that is gonna go straight into the channel. What I plan, like I said, y'all gonna see the next couple of clips what they have for over there and stuff. What I plan on doing is using some of that to start the channel with my daughter and obviously my nephew. So the thing is, I want them to kind of like review the cars, like I said, and maybe I can get my nephew to kind of review the cars like I was doing with actual cars and stuff. So some of y'all won't understand this decision, but like I said, this decision is solely not about me. It is solely about my daughter and my nephew, to maybe create them a channel that can maybe eventually make them money. But I am still hoping that Torque Storm sees one of my videos, or somebody, I don't know, somebody from there sees one of my videos and they hit me up, because I really do want to be sponsored by Torque Storm. I don't know, I want to work with the people at Torque Storm. I want a Torque Storm on my G8. Eventually, I am gonna buy one for the G8 for the channel, but it'd be even better if I can work with actual people from Torque Storm. So, and there's a lot of people who want a Torque Storm or ask about a Torque Storm. So maybe eventually I come, but until then, I'm gonna be working with a lot of these smaller businesses and doing a little bit of advertising for them. And in return, you know, it helps the channel out. So some of you won't understand, but it is what it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what they got over there. Hey y'all, so I'm over here at USA Toy Factory, y'all, and I'm gonna be showing y'all some of the cars and stuff that he has over here. Y'all can see in the background the cars for like your kids and stuff like that. Kind of like the one that I have bought, Ella, my daughter. So there's a lot of different choices that you can get here. A lot of the things over here is the custom made motor, all that stuff he puts together himself, and I'm gonna kind of have him explain it. He's also gonna be doing a giveaway, so I'll explain the instructions for the giveaway. He's gonna be giving away one of these. He's gonna be giving away, but I'm gonna kind of show y'all some of the cars and stuff. So he's gonna be on the channel. He's a sponsor that's gonna be obviously help out with the channel, helping them out with advertising and all that good stuff for y'all. And he does have really good stuff, and a lot of the cars that y'all see here is for a lot of them is for like car enthusiasts, like stuff that as a car enthusiast kind of excite me to have for my daughter or my nephew. So There's more than just cars here. There's toys and all that stuff like that. He has 2 stores. He's gonna be showing me the other store, but I'll show you some of the cars right quick. All right, so he got this like a I don't really know what you call it, but a UTV. So this is actually has the screen on it, just like how my daughter wanted, the exact same screen, matter of fact. The cool thing about this one is that it has rubber tires and not plastic. And if you have a kid, you know that like with the plastic tires, the little car tends to slip. So with this, you'll have more traction, or your kid to have more traction with this. This one actually has a fan on it also. So let me try to turn this one on. This is a little more expensive cars right here. So
the car has started. Please fasten your seatbelt.
So this one actually has a fan on it, and I guess you can turn the fan off, and there's a high and low setting. This is for the lights, and this one is actually 4-wheel drive all the time. And then there's also a couple of them where you can put it on 2-wheel drive, or you can put it on 4-wheel drive. So this one right here, y'all, is a Lexus. And this is the one I was telling you about. You can put this one. This one actually has a key to go inside there. Turn it. Oh, gotta turn the power on. Oh, there you go. Gotta wait for it to come on. And all of these are remote controls. Here's the remote control right here. So it even like idles and stuff. So this one has the option of 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive. You see right here. And then if you want them to drive, it has that. That's the drive is up here and reverse. And I guess this is park in the middle. So pretty cool. And then obviously this one has a screen just like the other one. So like I said, there's a whole variety of different things that you can get. You have the Mercedes right here, and then he has Lamborghinis, and he has a McLaren. I'm gonna show y'all. So this is a 720 McLaren that he has up in here. It has 3 different speeds. This one also has a key on it, just like the Lexus you saw. You can give it a little pop. And then you have your radio. You can put a USB, aux, all that good stuff in here if you want them to listen to some music or anything like that. So also got the doors go up just like a real McLaren. Okay, so the good thing about this is it has a shock. So I've seen some that don't have this where the doors just go up, but this one actually has a shock on it. And then you get leather seats. Same thing for the Lamborghini. Doors go up, same thing. Has 3 different speeds. You have the remote, so you can drive your kid around and all that good stuff. You have a radio on there also. All right, so we're gonna come back to this one because this one's a little bit, like I said, this actually is sold. This one's a little bit more, way more expensive. This is like a $1,000 car right here. You can see it has actual shocks in here, and he changes the motors and all that stuff. So he custom make them. So this one is actually pretty quick, and it can. I think the weight limit is like 240 pounds. So somebody like me can actually sit inside here without messing anything up. And you got, I think you got shocks in the front. Okay, so you just got shocks in the back, and it's 4-wheel drive. So you got 4. So that's a motor right here, that's a motor, and then you got 2. You got one on the other wheel in the front and one on the other wheel in the driver's side, driver and passenger. So like I was saying, there's just a couple of little things. And also he do take, he also will, like, so once your kid outgrows a car or something like that, like this one, he said he sold a couple of years back, and then somebody came and they he bought it back from them. So, and then you have like your regular cars. I think these started like $399 or something like that, which is not a bad. That's a pretty good price because I paid around $400 or $500 for my daughter's car. Another McLaren right here, and then even the paint. Like this is OEM, not OEM, but this is actual car paint. Most of these are actual car paint, and I'll show y'all this Lexus that actually has flakes in it. All right, so y'all can see like this is not dirt, it's actual flakes in the paint. And this is actual car paint on the car and stuff. So a lot of these cars are really good quality. Hey y'all, so like I said, it's a little different. So I'm probably gonna be creating a whole separate kids channel for my daughter and my nephew to be coming up here, and I'm gonna try to get them to kind of review cars, or at least kind of, I don't know, I have something figured out how I want to do it. But I'm gonna be doing videos for him, and every now and then I'm gonna be putting a little bit of what he got up here in some of the videos and stuff like that, because he's gonna be a sponsor of the channel. So let me go ahead and get a couple of more videos for you, a couple of more videos and stuff that I'm putting together for him. And we're gonna talk some ideas up and stuff like that. But it's good that we have bringing on at least something different. I mean, it's way different than what probably most people would expect, but I think it's gonna be a good thing. So yeah, so y'all see exactly what they got there. Pretty neat place. I'm gonna be doing videos and stuff on it. Not every now and then I'm gonna do just kind of probably show y'all when I go up there and do videos and stuff. So I'm making like little short videos for him for his social media and all that stuff. So I'm editing and taking pictures and all that good stuff. So I'll have all that information down below. If you have a kid or whatever, you want to get them a little toy car or one of the ride-on cars or something like that, you can hit them up, or you can hit me up. I can help you out and stuff like that. And we can get you taken care of and stuff. So it's a little different. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have had a good day.